We chose to fly with Thai Airways, and this airline is amazing. It was such a comfortable experience. Even though the flight from Bangkok to Chiang Mai was short, we were still served a delicious snack along with a cute little mango sticky rice jelly. The moment we arrived at the airport, I could already feel the warm and welcome vibes. We were given greeted with a jasmine necklace as a gesture of hospitality.
Since our room wasn't ready when we arrived, we decided to head out for lunch. Chiang Mai is famous for its khao soi, so naturally that was the first thing we went searching for. We stumbled upon a spot aptly named Khao Soi Restaurant. Strangely enough though, the place has a Japanese vibe.
We started off with some crispy fried tofu for appetizer. I went for a stir-fried khao soi with chicken and braised pork. Since khao soi is traditionally spicy, I asked them to serve the chili sauce on the side. The presentation was almost like a bento plate where everything was neatly arranged, just waiting to be mixed together into one flavorful dish. Alfred, on the other hand, ordered a khao soi soup with braised pork, and it looked absolutely delicious. And he was more ready to dive in and mix everything up.
It seemed like we won't check in early, so we decided to roam around Chiang Mai a little longer. The heat was intense, so we wanted something cold and refreshing. That's when we found Cheevir Cheeva, a cafe that specializes in Bingsu. Not exactly very Thai, but more on the Korean side. We ordered 2 flavors, mango sticky rice Bingsu and Thai milk tea Bingsu. Both look irresistible and were the perfect way to cool down. As we headed to the hotel, we were quickly swept up in the festive atmosphere and people were already splashing water everywhere to celebrate Songkran.
Dito na kami sa
Hotel, the Chai Hotel, the Deco.
in Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai, Thailand.
So magtuturo muna kami. Ito yung washroom. May bata, bed, shower. Dresser. Yung paglabas, dito yung bed. Ayan si Chris.
Yes!
Pagod na naman, kailangan na matulog. Then may TV. Sala, nandiyan yung gamit namin.
Once we finished checking in, we can't help but join the festivities outside.
We're ready na kami for Songkran.
Songkran is Thailand's famous New Year festival. Traditionally, it began as a gentle ritual of pouring water over Buddha statues and elders' hands to symbolize cleansing and blessings for the year ahead. Today, it has evolved into the world's biggest water fight, with locals and visitors alike armed with buckets, hoses, and water guns playfully drenching each other on the streets. We didn't expect the Songkran celebration to be this huge in Chiang Mai, and just a few steps away from our hotel and we were already soaked, totally unprepared. So we rushed to 7-Eleven, grabbed our water guns,
I think gagawin mo muna ito.
and that's when the real water fight began.
As we continue walking and playfully splashing people along the way, we stumble upon a small night food market. I must say, the food was not only delicious but also surprisingly affordable for such tasty street eats. As the night went on, the crowd grew even more energetic and lively, moving to the beat of the music with pure joy.
Our hotel stay included a breakfast buffet that was both delicious and varied, featuring a mix of Asian and Western options to suit every taste.
I'm on the right track to nowhere, telling me to take my time.
The Chai Deco Chiang Mai exudes refined Art Deco-inspired elegance, blending rich textures and subtle luxury in a cozy layout. Best of all, the hotel is situated in an excellent location, just steps away from the Tha Phae Gate, the Old City, and Chiang Mai's vibrant markets and restaurants.
Today's adventure was booked through Klook, the elephant sanctuary in Chiang Mai by Elephant Dream Project. Before setting off, we made a quick washroom stop and Alfred couldn't resist grabbing a toast bread from 7-Eleven. The drive itself was scenic, about an hour and a half, giving us a glimpse of the countryside before reaching the sanctuary. Upon arrival, we were welcomed by passionate local guides who grew up alongside the elephants. They shared an insightful introduction about the sanctuary and its mission. We began by feeding them with bananas and sugarcane in the open field, just enough to get a feel of their rhythms and observe them in their natural environment. Seeing elephants up close for the first time was absolutely divine.
Don't have to live with regrets. Look up and lift up your head and stand up tall. Stand up tall. Don't sleep on
Next, we helped gather bundles of corn stalks from a nearby rice field and carried them into the forest, where the elephants eagerly awaited their feast.
Hello guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Elephant Dream Project. So napakain na namin yung mga elephant kanina. Si Alfred. Ayun si Alfred. Ngayon we have the leaves. Oh, masabi mo? Huh? Ano masabi mo? Where are we going? What's this? Is it a grass? This is not a grass.
Corn.
Corn.
no matter how hard it gets. The years and the tears you spent are worth it all. It's worth it all. Don't have to live with regrets. Look up and lift up your head and stand up tall. Stand up tall. Don't sleep, just bring it to life. Work through the night, give it some time. Oh, the future is bright. Don't turn away, 'cause you're gonna break through, child. No matter how hard it gets.
We then made our way to the river where the elephants refreshed themselves with water, rehydrated, and of course continued eating. Watching them splash around, bathe themselves, and roam freely in their natural habitat was such a heartwarming sight.
Don't have to live with regrets. Look up and lift up your head and stand up tall. Stand up tall. Don't sleep on your dreams. No. Don't sleep on your dreams.
The experience also included a delicious lunch prepared by the locals, adding an authentic touch to the day. To wrap things up, we gave the elephants their dessert, juicy slices of watermelon which they happily devoured.
This was truly unforgettable experience. The elephant as Thailand's national symbol represent royalty, peace, and prosperity. Spending the day with this magnificent creature felt like connecting with the very heart of Thai culture.
We tried to dodge the splashing chaos in Chiang Mai's old city. Along the walk, we came across a cozy spot called Moreganic Restaurant, which serves vegan cuisine, and decided to stop in for an early dinner. We ordered Khao Soi,
So it will have vegan chicken. Not sure what to.
and for dessert, we indulged in the classic mango sticky rice, accompanied by creamy coconut ice cream, which was the perfect way to end the day.
So take me home.
From the chaos of Songkran to the serenity of the elephant sanctuary, Chiang Mai showcased the best of Thailand. However, the adventure is not over yet.
For the next video, as we approach the last leg of our journey, imagine meeting locals with golden necklace, wandering through unworldly temples, and savoring a hidden garden cafe. Stay tuned, this final leg is truly majestic, and don't miss it. See you there!